Welcome to the Duct Kings, where we rule the realm of air quality, and where a clean, efficient HVAC system is the crown jewel of every home. Today, we're diving deep into the world of air conditioning duct cleaning. Have you ever considered what's lurking in your air ducts? It's easy to overlook, but dust, allergens, and even mold could be hiding out of sight. As your HVAC system works hard to keep your home cool, it also pulls in airborne particles. Over time, these can accumulate within your air ducts. Without regular air conditioning duct cleaning, this buildup can circulate throughout your home, impacting the air quality and the efficiency of your HVAC system. At the Duct Kings, our skilled technicians use top-of-the-line equipment to meticulously clean your air conditioning ducts, ensuring a thorough job that leaves your system running at its best. Not only does our air conditioning duct cleaning service improve indoor air quality by reducing allergens and contaminants, but it can also help lower your energy bills. Our process begins with an inspection to assess your ductwork's current state. We then use specialized vacuums, brushes, and other advanced tools to thoroughly clean the air ducts. We finish by testing the system to ensure everything is functioning as it should. When it comes to maintaining the efficiency of your HVAC system and the quality of your indoor air, we're the trusted experts. With the Duct Kings, you're investing in a cleaner, healthier home. Don't forget, regular air conditioning duct cleaning is an essential part of home maintenance. Schedule your service with the Duct Kings today and breathe easy, knowing you're in the hands of professionals. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC insights from the Duct Kings. Until next time, stay cool and breathe easy.